guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Emily Maya, and today I will be showing you how to do this high puff, as you can see. So if you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is take out a twist out that I did last night. If you don't want to do a twist out like me, just make sure that your hair is in a state to where you can easily style it. Once I'm done taking out the twist out, I'm just going to fluff my hair out. Now I'm going to take my favorite gel and I'm just going to put it around the perimeter of my hair. You want it to be as sleek as possible, so use however much you need. Now you're just going to brush your hair up into a ponytail. Here I'm just taking a ponytail holder that I cut open and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair. I'm going to tighten it and push it back until it forms the puff size that I want. And because my head is very large, the ponytail holder is a little bit too small, so I have to use some bobby pins to just secure it. Once you pretty much have your puff that you want, you're just going to take some gel or some edge control and put it on your edges. I don't have any, but we're just going to pretend that I do. Just put it on there and put a satin scarf. You're just going to wrap this up for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes or longer, you can take your satin scarf out and it's pretty much done. You can do your edges or whatever you want to do. I like to pull out my sideburns, but it's really up to you. This is the way that I like to do my puffs, but this is the final product. So that is going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to be a part of the pretty game. And that's pretty much it. Bye guys.